Today I am going to perform an oil change on a 2016 Toyota Sienna. I need a pair of disposal gloves, as you can see here, an oil tunnel, paper towel, an oil pan, the wheel chocks. We'll show that to you later. Car rams. I prefer to use the car rams. I feel that it's much safer for me. Six quarts of oil. I use full scented oil for my 2016 Toyota Sienna. A filter. This tool to open the oil canister. A 14mm socket and a torch wrench. So these are the things that I need to do oil change on my vehicle. Okay, I'm gonna drive over the ramp, show you from the start to finish. See right there? Go over the ramp. Much safer for me. I'm gonna take these two pieces and put it back together here. Going to the back. And we're gonna put one piece here. See right there? One piece right there. And then another piece over here on this side. Okay, in case to do the oil change, make sure the engine is cold. I am going to pull out this dig stick. I'm gonna remove the oil cap here. Okay, I'm gonna go underneath to remove the drain plug. Yeah, I am underneath the car. I'm gonna remove the drain plug here with the 14mm. Okay, it's coming. So, sorry for the camera. Here we go. Alright. I'm gonna let it drain for 30 minutes or so. And then I will come back to remove this housing oil filter later. The filter comes with two O-rings, one bigger O-ring and the other one smaller O-ring, and also a drain pine. Okay, this is how I remove the bottom one. Okay, there you go. Okay, and I'm gonna use my hand to turn it. Okay. So right, there we go. I'm gonna be using that. Okay, I'm gonna use this plastic piece. See right here. Turn this over. Hold on, let me see. Oh, there we go. So it doesn't get messy. This is how you do it. Okay, so it's going to become a messy. So I'm using my glove right now. Okay, so I'm gonna move this one up. Pull this out. Okay, and I'm gonna see if we can remove the housing. So let's see here. Alright. So put it right there. Let's go close. Okay. So this is just want to show you how to do it. There we go. Now I can gonna take out of this piece. I'm gonna try to use my hand. Yes, I can tell. All right. So this is how you do, okay? Yeah, this is the old filter. This is a new filter. This is what I took it out from underneath the car. Gonna move the filter here. Okay. I'm gonna clean all the walls inside there, and I'm gonna put a new one in the housing here. Okay. I clean it, so I'm gonna replace with the two O-rings, the big one and the small one. The big one's this one right here, and then the small one's this one. Let me see, I can just take it out. Small one by using my hand. Oh, there we go. Almost. Oh, here we go. Small. Okay. Here I got the small ring back, and it's secure. And I already took it out. This big one. So let's see here. Okay, there we go. That's the big one. I'm gonna replace with the no one. Okay, here I put a new one on the housing, and it's ready to put it back. So I'm gonna put the housing in there. Maybe this is how you do it. Okay, there we go. It's ready. All right. Before I put the housing back, I need to put this piece on the bottom first. Okay. And then we're gonna use my wrench to tight this later once I put in the. Before I put the housing back, I need to clean. I think, I don't know what they call it. Maybe a housing or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this first. And I'm gonna put it later. Okay. Okay. So after I clean it, I'm gonna put the housing back. I'm gonna reverse everything. Alright, so that's how you do. Okay, and we're gonna put this piece on it, and I'm gonna tie it. Okay, so that's how you do. You reverse everything back. Okay, so I'm ready to put it. Wow, I'm gonna use this funnel, much easier. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use the 5 gallon here, and then I mean 5 quarts, not 5 gallons, sorry. Okay, gonna check wall. Okay, looks good. Okay, it's all the way over here. Pretty clean. Alright, let me move this funnel out. I'm gonna put this wildcat back. Okay, done. All right. So I'm pretty much done, and now it's time for me to move the car back. All right. Back to first.